As an MPix Pro customer, you've probably heard of Millers. Now, Millers is our flagship in the Millers family of labs. And the family of labs consists of three sites. You have Millers here, which has all the products, all the services, everything you could absolutely need. Then you have MPix Pro, which is our streamlined version and is for professional photographers. And for consumers, we have our MPix division. So depending on the type of photography you are, we have all the bases covered. Now, one thing we're committed to is to provide the absolute best new products in the industry. And not only products that are innovative, they're going to be ones that can impact your studio from day one. We want to make sure we can keep you ahead of the competition. Now at MPix Pro, you'll find that our product offering is a little bit more streamlined than what's available through Millers. But the cool thing is, because you already have an MPix Pro account, we've made it very easy for you to simply upgrade to a Millers account, and that way you can take advantage of any new hot products that we're coming out with. And because we're already a family of labs, the ordering process and the whole workflow is very similar through our rows. So let me just show you how easy it is to set up and upgrade to Millers. So your first step is to click this sign up button. And you select this, and it's going to have a very similar form that you had for MPix Pro. So fill out your information. Because you're already an MPix Pro client, you're not going to have any problem getting accepted. But we do have to have you go through this sign up process to get into our system correctly. So once you do this, it's going to be very similar to MPix Pro. You're going to get an email that once you've been accepted that you need to upload 5 test print files. Now, one thing different is with Millers, we also offer color correction services. So once you submit those files, we do them with no adjustments like we did with MPix Pro, plus you'll also have a test to see what our lab technicians can do for you. So you get a good comparison there. Once you've uploaded your 5 test print files, you're going to get an automatic email that gives you your account information and your password. So you'll go to the website, you'll log in, and this will be the very first page that you see, and this is the very heart of the website. This is where you can get all of your information about order history and all the different tools that we have. But the very first thing you want to do is go over here to the right side, and it'll say no credit card on file, and you're going to want to update that, because if you don't do that, we do ship out orders COD, and there's a $10 charge. So an order will automatically go out if you don't have that credit card on file. So that's very critical. Make sure you do that up front, that way we don't have any problems. Now, as you're looking through the website, you'll notice we have different types of ordering software. But because you've been using MPix Pro and you're familiar with rows, we would recommend that you use our Millers version of rows as well. So you go over here to the left side here, you click on this, come down here and click the Launch Now button. And what that'll do is that'll launch the Millers version of rows, and it'll look very similar to what you've seen in the MPix Pro version, of course with a lot more products. So it's that simple. You click a few buttons, you bring up rows, and you're ready to get started with this.